BLIPS is the world's thinnest set of microscope objective lenses that will turn your smartphone into a digital microscope. When in use, a tiny objective lens electrostatically adheres to your smartphone camera, enhancing its optical power and allowing a perfect distinction of microscopic details. Two lenses for two different purposes are offered. BLIPS Macro provides an optical magnification of about 10 times for high-definition macro images of the most diverse subjects. BLIPS Macro is also usable as a high-power magnification lens for quality checks. BLIPS Micro is perfect to observe the tiniest of details and represents a first step into the realm of microscopy. It can distinguish details of a few microns and allows to capture images of cells and inhabitants of the micro world. BLIPS is extremely thin and light, the world's thinnest set of microscope lenses for smartphones and tablets. Super compatible with any model of smartphone and tablet. Ultra portable, can easily fit in your pocket or wallet. Very affordable for all budgets.
BLIPS is the first product of Smart Micro-Optics, a spin-off of the Italian Institute of Technology.
BLIPS uses high-quality optical and mechanical technology. A soft film supports the objective lenses, which are specifically designed and manufactured to achieve great performances with smartphone and tablet cameras. Two sticky bands of engineered adhesive for multiple reuse and clean replacement stick near the edge of the film, ensuring perfect cohesion on any device. BLIPS offers two main kits: the basic kit, which includes one micro and one macro lens to enjoy both microscopic observation and macro pictures. The lab kit for a more precise observation of the micro world with an adjustable mechanical support to stabilize the working distance, a proper light source, and a set of selected microscope slides.
Our goal is to provide everyone the tools to explore the micro world.
I'd like to introduce you all to a very exciting and interesting thing. Now, I've put a lot of thought and research into ways of seeing small and delicate things with the naked eye. As you can see, traditional microscopes are big and heavy. They can only be used in certain places. But now, the perfect microscope has been invented. Let me introduce you to the NURUGO microscope. It's very easy to use. You can just mount it on the back of your smartphone. There are no cords and no additional batteries. Since it's a small microscope, you can utilize it anywhere and anytime. Now, let's take a look at this small microscope's amazing performance. As you can see here, what can't be seen with the naked eye can easily be verified with this product. And the image is high resolution compared to other microscopes. Let's take a closer look. It's astonishing how this small microscope can enlarge the target by up to 400 times its original size. NURUGO microscope, not only can it be used for research and education, but it can also be utilized in fields that require a microscope, such as work and everyday lives.
The two key factors for producing the high-resolution image are the lens and the lighting. The lens is capable of enlarging the target by up to 400 times its original size. And this lighting technology has also been patented. You can also get video without any additional batteries or cables.
Wow. Everyone had an amazing response when I uploaded the videos and images taken by NURUGO microscope on SNS. If you simply and easily want the best results anywhere and anytime, NURUGO microscope is the answer. I really like my NURUGO microscope.
NURUGO microscope will be your new eyes. Expand your horizon, change your world. This tiny lens is the only one for expanding your world.
See the life within a droplet of natural water. Investigate a biological sample on a microscope slide, or simply find out what hides on your fingernail. Smoothly and flawlessly integrated with the capabilities of a smartphone, UPEEK will expand your imagination beyond your own boundaries.
Hello, my name is Patrick Galliker and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Scrona and one of the inventors of UPEEK. When developing UPEEK, our idea was not just to create another magnifying lens for your smartphone. The idea was to design a solution that would combine scientific quality with a seamless fun design that you would be proud to carry around and be seen with. Not much larger than a credit card, UPEEK will easily fit into your pocket. Miniature design does not mean miniature functionality. UPEEK has capabilities that even costly laboratory microscopes generally lack. Using innovative optical illumination architecture, UPEEK combines the advantages of several advanced contrasting techniques. When using standard microscope slides, remove the microscope slide holder from the adhesive back of UPEEK. Attach the device to your phone, insert the microscope slide into the holder and start working. It's so simple and powerful, so don't be surprised if it becomes a professional's first choice. UPEEK makes a great tool to teach advanced microscopy at high schools and universities, where cost is naturally a concern. UPEEK not only helps to save finances, but also saves valuable shelf space. And thanks to UPEEK's excellent portability, project works are no longer restricted to indoor locations. Students can work directly in the field, easily record and share their pictures via their smartphone, and above all, have fun learning. Because UPEEK is so sleek, it may continue to be attached to your smartphone and go into your pocket almost unnoticed. However, once unveiled, it will certainly catch the attention of your friends. Give them a hands-on illustration of UPEEK and send them the microscopic pictures taken via your favorite social networks.
This is the reason why we should keep making these microscopes, Jim. Like, right here. My name is Manu Prakash, and I'm a faculty at Stanford. I'm also the co-inventor of FOLDSCOPE.
I'm Jim Cebulski. I was a PhD student in Manu's lab at Stanford University, and I'm also a co-inventor of FOLDSCOPE.
FOLDSCOPE is an origami microscope that you put together yourself by folding a sheet of paper, and the capabilities of a FOLDSCOPE are actually equivalent to conventional microscopes that cost thousands of dollars. But we build a FOLDSCOPE with $1 in bill of materials. We live in a world where a majority of life forms are actually invisible to our naked eye. There are scientific tools that allow you, things like a microscope, that allow you to experience it and really change your perspective and turn you into a curious observer. One of the challenges that we face is the fact that this experience of curiosity-driven science is hindered by the accessibility of scientific tools.
We care about FOLDSCOPE because we want to make scientific tools available to as broad a community as possible around the world.
I literally compare something like this to a pencil. You know, I carry around a pencil, and in a moment I have a thought, you want to jot it down. So very similarly, FOLDSCOPE is literally a pencil of microscopy.
We built over 50,000 units of FOLDSCOPEs and distributed them to people in 130 countries around the world. And we had a great response to that. People posted lots of projects. They gave us emails encouraging us to keep going. So we thought, why stop there? We need to keep going. And so we formed an entity, FOLDSCOPE Instruments, in December 2015. Part of our vision is not only to provide instruments to people around the world, but also to connect them to each other.
Within the next year, we're going to build 1 million FOLDSCOPes, and we're excited about bringing them out to the community. So if you're a teacher, you are a parent, you are an explorer, you're a naturalist, you're an office worker, or you are a student somewhere, it doesn't matter. All that matters is the fact that if you care about bringing science into the hands of people, we need your help, and hope you'll join us.
Thank you very much for your support.